Hi again. In the previous lesson, we learned about point estimators. But as you can guess, they are not very reliable. Imagine visiting 5% of the restaurants in London and saying that the average meal is worth £22.50. You may be close, but chances are that the true value isn't really £22.50, but somewhere around it. It's much safer to say that the average meal in London is somewhere between £20 and £25, isn't it? In this way, you have created a confidence interval around your point estimate of £22.50. A confidence interval is a much more accurate representation of reality. However, there is still some uncertainty left which we measure in levels of confidence. So, getting back to our example, you may say that you are 95% confident that the population parameter lies between 20 and 25 quid. Keep in mind that you can never be 100% confident unless you go through the entire population. And there is, of course, a 5% chance that the actual population parameter is outside of the 20 to 25 pounds range. We'll observe that if the sample we have considered deviates significantly from the entire population. All right, there is one more ingredient needed, the level of confidence. It is denoted by 1 minus alpha and is called the confidence level of the interval. Alpha is a value between 0 and 1. For example, if we want to be 95% confident that the parameter is inside the interval, alpha is 5%. If we want a higher confidence level of, say, 99%, alpha will be 1%. Don't worry, we will discuss this in more detail in our next video. Oh, you can't wait until the next lesson? Okay then, here it is. The formula for all confidence intervals is from the point estimate minus the reliability factor times the standard error to the point estimate plus the reliability factor times the standard error. We know what the point estimate is, values like x bar and s bar, right? We also know what the standard error is. What about the reliability factor? We'll have to introduce it in our next lesson. Thanks for watching.